Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today we're going to be taking a look at the photo and video editing app PicsArt. As you can see, I already have the app up on my phone with a photo that I'm going to kind of show you a few things. There are a wide variety of things that we can do on this app. If you see me scrolling at the bottom here, you can already see that there are so many different ways to customize photos and add frames and borders and stickers. I mean, you can customize any photo you want as much as you want or as little as you want. Today, though, we're going to just kind of alter this photo, maybe add a couple borders, maybe turn it to black and white, change the color a bit. We're going to start with the basic stuff, and then in a future video, maybe we'll get into the more nitty-gritty stuff of this app. So as you can see, I have my photo here, and at the bottom, we're going to click on Effects. And then in the Simple tab, I'm going to scroll over until I find the one that I'm looking for. There are so many different ways you can enhance the color, kind of take out some of that color. I like a nice black and white scenic photo, so I'm going to hit that. There are other options for the black and white, but this is one that I actually like quite a bit. With that now in here, I'm going to go to the top of my screen and hit the Apply button. Then it'll bring us back to that main menu. I'm going to go back to the bottom where all of the options are, and I'm going to scroll over until I find border. Once I have found border, I'm going to click on it, and then you can change the color. You can change the outer, the inner, the radius of the border. I like the settings right where they are, but then you can also change the color of the border. So if you wanted to do like let's say like a blue here, you could do that color of border. I'm just going to keep it at the white border because I think that balances out the photo quite nicely. Once again, I'm going to hit apply here, and then boom, there is that picture. Once you have the photo edited to your liking, you go up to the top of the screen once again to hit the next button. Then it gives you the option to post your photo to your profile. If you have followers, they can see the pictures that you have edited and posted. For now, I'm going to go ahead and hit skip. And then it just gives you the option to save to your photos. You'll hit save, and then it takes you back to the home screen. That photo is now saved into your Photos app on your phone. You can go and do whatever you would like with that photo. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments down below if you would like a more intricate tutorial where we go into the more complex editing options on this app, because like I said, there are so many different things that you can do. This is just a very basic 101 tutorial if you're looking for an app to give your photos a little more customization. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will have more tutorials coming this week to teach you how to use other apps you might not know about on your phone. So make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn the bell on so you're notified for all of our upcoming videos. Thank you once again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.